In this video, we will see how to format memories on your DJI Pocket 4. First thing, you will need to scroll down from the top and go into the setting gear just right here. Then we're going to scroll almost at the bottom where we will find the option Storage, this one here. Inside here, you will see your internal and SD card storage. And if you want to format it, you will need to go into the third option here, Storage. From here, you can select if you want to format the internal or the SD card. So select it and then simply scroll to the right, and it should take a couple of seconds and everything will be formatted. Here we go. I'm doing it for the SD card. Because it's a huge SD card, that might take a bit longer, but that should not take more than a couple of seconds. So formatting means erasing absolutely everything that is on the memory. Once this is done, it's pretty hard, not impossible, but pretty hard to find back your files. You will need a special software for doing that. So remember, this is for erasing absolutely everything on the SD card. So I hope this was helpful.